Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start mensuration from the book of M.L. Agarwal, chapter 16. For the previous chapters or other chapters, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, so here in this chapter you are going to know the perimeter or the area of our triangles. The first exercise fully based on the triangle. So before I going to solve the exercise problems, first you have to know some formulas. So here the perimeter and the area of the triangle. Here the general formula to find out the area of the triangle, that is half into base into height, if you know the height of a triangle. Now you have a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the sides are different value. Okay, so here if the three sides are A, B and C, then the perimeter will be A plus B plus C. Okay, and the semi perimeter will be A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, we denote it by S. Then to find out the area of a scalene triangle, that equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. It's called Heron's formula. Now here are some special types of triangle. For the right angle triangle, the area of the triangle will be half into base into height. Next, equilateral triangle, area equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Here A means the side of the equilateral triangle. And the last one, isosceles triangle, area equal to 1 by 4 into B root over 4A square minus B square. Here A means the equal side and B means the base or the third side of the isosceles triangle. So here exercise 16.1. Here the first problem, find the area of a triangle whose base is 6 cm and height is 4 cm. So it's very easy, therefore area equal to half into base into height and that equal to 12 cm square. Okay, next one, sum number 2, find the area of the triangle whose sides are. There are total three problems, so I am going to solve the third one because 1, 2, 3 are same kind of problems. So as you know that here the sides of the triangles, that is 12 cm, 9.6 and 7.2. That means it's a scalene triangle. Okay, so to find out the area of a scalene triangle, first you have to find out the semi perimeter of the triangle and we denote it by S. So here S equal to first one, second one, third one, the addition of three sides divided by 2 and you will get 14.4 cm. Then the area of the triangle will be root over S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Here A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. So as S equal to 14.4, then 14.4 minus 12, then 14.4 minus 9.6 and then 14.4 minus 7.2. It will be 14.4 into 2.4 into 4.8 into 7.2 centimeter square. So here the answer is 34.56 centimeter square. Now the third one, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 34 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 42 centimeter. Hence find the length of the altitude corresponding to the shortest side. So first you have to find out the area of this scalene triangle. So here the same formula, that means Heron's formula. So here S equal to 34 plus 20 plus 42 by 2 and that equal to 48 centimeter. Clear? Now area will be root over S into S minus A, that means 48 minus 34, that becomes 6, 48 minus 20, 14, 48 minus 42, that equal to 6. So here root over of this one equal to 336 centimeter square. Okay, so this is your first answer. Now the next one, the shortest side of the triangle is 20 centimeter. So here the shortest side is 20 centimeter. Let H be the corresponding altitude, then the area of the triangle will be half into base into height and you know the value of the area, that is 336. So 336 centimeter square. So here base equal to 20, so half into 20 into H, that equal to 336. 2 cancel out with 20, that becomes 10. So H equal to this one by 10, so 33.6 centimeter. Now the fourth one, here The sides of the triangular field are 975, 1050 and 1125. If the field is sold at the rate of 1000 per hectare, then find its selling price. Okay, that means first here you have to find out the area of the triangle, and after that you are going to find out the selling price. Okay, so here the semi perimeter or S equal to addition of this 31 by 2, and that equal to 1575. So 1575 is the semi perimeter. So here now area will be root over 1575 into, then this one minus this one 600, this one minus this one 525, and 1575 minus 1125, it becomes 450 meter square. Okay, now 1575, that means 525 into 3. Next 600 means 150 into 4. 525 will be here, and 450 means 150 into 3. So here 2515, that means after root over it will be only 1525. Next here 23, so that will be 1. 150 into 150, it becomes also 1, and 4, root 4 means 2. Okay, so here 3 into 2 6, 6 into 150, that means 900. 900 into 525 meter square. Now you have to convert it meter square from meter square to hectare, and here it's given that 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. So divided by 10,000, it will be transferred into hectare. So 525 into 900 by 10,000. Here 0 cancel out. So 525 into 9, it becomes 4725. After dividing by 100, it will be 47.25 hectare. Clear? Now you have to find out the selling price, as here the rate is rupees 1000 per hectare. That means 1 hectare is rupees 1000. So here 47.25 hectare. So multiply with 1000, it will be 47250. Okay, so 47250 is your answer. Now sum number 5. The base of a right angle triangle is 12 centimeter and its hypotenuse equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, then find the area and the perimeter. So first you have to find out the area, as here base equal to 12 and hypotenuse equal to 13. So after finding out the area, first you have to find out the height. So height equal to, here you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. I hope you know the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square equal to what? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square or perpendicular square, you can say. So here height or perpendicular will be root over hypotenuse square minus base square. So here 13 square minus 12 square. 169 minus 144, it's become 25. So root over 25 means 5 centimeter. Okay, so here base 12, hypotenuse 13 and height 5. Now area equal to half into base into height, and it becomes 30 centimeter square. Okay, and next you have to find out the perimeter. So to find out the perimeter, just add 12, 13 and 5. Next, sum number 6. Here the side of equilateral triangle, that is 8 meter, it's given. Okay, and you have to find out its area up to 2 decimal places. So the formula will be root 3 by 4 into a square. So here a means 8, so 8 into 8, or you can also write 8 square, that means 64. So from that the answer will be 16 root 3. Now you have to change this answer into decimal places. So the value of root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay, then 16 into 1.73, that equal to 27.71 meter square. Now next, sum number 7. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 centimeter square, then find its perimeter. So as you know the formula of the area of an equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into a square. Here a means the equal sides of the equilateral triangle, and that equal to 81 into root 3, it's given. Root 3 cancel out. A square equal to 81 into 4. So a equal to root over 81 into 4. And root 81 means 9. Root 4 means 2. So 9 into 2 is 18. So 18 is the side of the equilateral triangle. Then perimeter will be 18 into 3. So 54 centimeter. Sum number 8. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 36 centimeter, calculate its area and height. So here perimeter of an equilateral triangle, that is 36 centimeter. Okay, then side will be 36 by 3, that equal to 12 centimeter, because all the sides are equal. And as here area equal to root 3 by 4 into 12 square, or 12 into 12. So it becomes 36 root 3 centimeter square. If you convert it into decimal, it will be 62.4 centimeter square. And you know the value of root 3 equal to 1.73. Okay, now you have to find out the height of this triangle. So if you draw a height from the upper vertex to the base, then this height will be divided the base into two parts. Okay, so here will be the base, and the value of this base, or the length of the base, equal to 12 centimeter. So as you know the general formula to find out the area, that is half into base into height. So here half into height into base, and that equal to 62.4, or you can also write 36 root 3. Both are same. So here h will be 6 root 3 centimeter, and that will be 10.4 centimeter. Next, sum number 9. Sum number 9.1 and 9.2 both are same kind of problems. So here I am going to solve the first one. I hope you can solve the second one also. So if the length of the side of a triangles are the ratio 3:4:5, and the perimeter here 48 centimeter. Okay, so as the ratio here 3:4:5, then the sides will be 3x, 4x and 5x. Here x not equal to 0, and x is the proportional constant or the ratio constant. So now as perimeter formula will be the addition of three sides. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x, that equal to 48. So from that x equal to 4. So if the constant x equal to 4, then the sides will be 4 into 3, so 12, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 5, 20. So these three are the sides of the scalene triangle. Now you have to find out the area here. So to find out the area, first you have to know the semi-perimeter. So here S will be 12 plus 16 plus 20 by 2, and it will be 24. So the area will be root over. Here you can apply the Heron's formula. So 24 into 24 minus 12, it's 12. 24 minus 16, 8. 24 minus 20, 4. So here 24 means 12 into 2. Then here 12, 8 means 4 into 2 and 4. So here are how many 12s are here? 2. So after root over, it will be changed into 1. Then 2 into 2 only 1 2, and 4 into 4 only 1 4. So that will be 96 centimeter square. Sum number 10. ABC is a triangle where AB and BC equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, AB and BC 4 centimeter, and angle A equal to 90 degree. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so here AB and AC, that equal to 4 centimeter, angle A equal to 90 degree, that means this one equal to base and this one equal to height. Okay, so area equal to half into base into height, and that equal to 8 centimeter. This is your first answer. Now next one, also find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. Okay, so this is the perpendicular. So here AD is the perpendicular on BC. Now you have to find out the length of AD. So before I find out the length of AB, first you have to know the length of BC also. Here BC is the hypotenuse. So BC means root over length square, that means height square plus base square. So it will be root 32, that means 4 root 2 centimeter. So 4 root 2 centimeter is the length of BC. Now the general formula of area, that is half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. So here if you consider this triangle, here BC is the base, then AD will be the height. Clear? So half into AD into BC, that equal to 8 centimeter as area. You know that. So half into here BC equal to 4 root 2. So 4 cancel out with 8, it becomes 2, and root 2 cancel out with 2, it's root 2. So that means 2 root 2. So AD equal to 2 root 2. Now root 2 means 1.41. So that means 2.82 centimeter is your answer. Next, sum number 11. Find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 12 centimeter and the perimeter is 30. So here the equal side of the isosceles triangle that equal to 12 centimeter, perimeter equal to 30. So let the base be x centimeter or the third side be x centimeter. So 12 plus 12, two sides, plus x, that means total of 3 sides, that equal to perimeter. So x equal to 30 minus 24, that equal to 6. So here you know the base, that means the third side, that is 6 centimeter, and the equal side is 12 centimeter. So area of the equilateral triangle, you can direct apply the formula 1 by 4 b root over 4 square minus b square. You know here b means the third side and a means the equal side. So 1 by 4 into 6 into 4 into 12 square minus 6 square. So here 3 by 2 and 4 into 12 square, that means 144 into 4, it's 576 minus 36, it will be 540. Now 540 means 36 into 15, root 36 means 6, so here root 15. Now 2 cancel out, 6, 3, so 3 into 3, 9 root 15, and the value after multiply 9 with root 15, it's become 34.86 centimeter square. Sum number 12. Here the base of the isosceles triangle 6 centimeter, perimeter equal to 16 centimeter, that means as same as the previous one. So first you have to find out the equal side. So here let the equal side be x centimeter. So x plus 6, because there are two equal sides. So x plus 6, that equal to 16, that means perimeter. So 2x equal to 10 and x equal to 5. Okay, now you have to find out the area. You know the formula. So area will be 1 by 4 into 6 root over 4 into 5 square minus 6 square. Clear? So 3 by 2 root over 100 minus 36, that means 64. So it will be 12 centimeter. Now sum number 13. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are new viewers. So keep supporting and keep watching. So here in sum number 13, the sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 5x and 3x minus 1. So here B is the right angle, consider B as the right angle, and this right angle containing by the side if 5x and 3x minus 1. Okay, that means here you can consider 3x minus 1 as base and 5x as perpendicular. So half into base into height or perpendicular, that is the general formula to find out the area, and that equal to 60, because it's given that 60 centimeter square is the area of that triangle. Okay, so from that you can easily find out the value of x. So first 2 into 60, 120, then 5 cancel out, 120, 24. So 3x square minus x minus 24 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So you can solve it by middle term factorization method. And here factor of 24, that means 8 and 3, and here also 3. So 3 into 3, 9 minus 8, it becomes minus x. So you can write down 3x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 24. And from that you will get 3x plus 8 and x minus 3, that equal to 0, the two factor of this equation. Okay, so either 3x plus 8 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 8 by 3, which is not possible because here x means the length, and the length of the triangle never be in negative. Okay, so that means here x minus 3 equal to 0, so x equal to 3. Okay, so if x equal to 3, then the perpendicular, this is perpendicular, that means 5 into 3, 15, and base equal to 3 into 3 minus 1, 8. So the hypotenuse will be root over 15 square plus 8 square, then that will be 17 centimeter. Okay,